3.3-liter engine. 2022 Chevy Equinox front-wheel drive, EPA estimated 26 miles per gallon city, 31 highway with 1.5-liter engine.
KCBS News Time, 4:48. We are first for traffic, and boy, we got another crash, this time in Hayward. What's the latest, James?
That's not good at this moment. Through Fremont, making your way through Union City, going to hit a lot of stop-and-go traffic because of this accident. 880 northbound, right before you get to Tennyson. It's a crash in the express lane, so CHP actually just arrived on scene. It's just adding to your delays already from Whipple Road. If you're on the southbound side of 880, look for those delays to begin at 238. Now, as you continue northbound on 880 after that delay, you're going to run into some more slow traffic as you continue on towards A Street. But then after that, it opens up for a little bit, and then we have that other crash in Oakland right now. This is 880 northbound, right before you get to Broadway. This crash here involves at least 4 cars. We do know that the right lane is blocked at this moment, so you're going to run into that slow traffic as you get closer to Fruitvale Avenue. Now let's go back over to not Los Gatos, but the Santa Cruz Mountains, 17 northbound, right there at Redwood Estates. Still have the right lane blocked with this accident, and delays are starting at Jarvis Road. Your next update's at 4:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Well, thankfully, we got the hot temperatures of Saturday, for the most part, out of the way. And now you can look forward to a Sunday, which is going to be so much nicer. Sunday's going to be about 10 degrees cooler than today was if you were inland. We got up to the hundreds in the Tri-Valley today, right around 100 in Livermore, 97 Concord. Santa Rosa was in the midnight. All of those numbers come down by about 10 or 11 degrees for tomorrow. So we'll get you back down to right around 90 or upper 80s for many of the warmest inland spots for the East Bay, and it was in mid-80s in the North Bay Valley. San Jose 91 today. How about low tomorrow? And if you're along the Bayshore line, whether it's any Peninsula locations or East Bay shoreline, we today, let's call it mid-80s a lot. We'll get you back down into the mid and upper 70s for the most part tomorrow. Then on Monday, we're going to warm back up again. It's just not going to be as hot as today was. Monday, a bit of a spike in the temperatures once again. Maybe we put half as much back on that we're taking off tomorrow, and then we take about half of that off for the rest of next week. Bottom line is, for most of next week, temperatures should be close to average, maybe a little above. That's mid to upper 80s inland, and low 80s South Bay, and mid to upper 70s along the Bay shoreline. I'm meteorologist Aaron Peck with your KCBS KPIX5 First Alert Forecast.
Every 10 minutes on KCBS, Mary Hughes, Michael Rocaforte at the editor's desk this afternoon. With the announcement released by Apple this week, employees back to the office 3 days a week, starting after Labor Day. Other companies are looking to follow that lead. Here's KCBS's Alice Works.
After these few years of work from home or hybrid work, workers don't seem to want to get back into the office full time.
Stats show that 85% don't want to retain it going forward. 85%.
That's Jennifer Brown. She's founder of the workplace strategy and consulting firm. She says because of reduced or non-existent commute times, people enjoy having more time for family and home obligations.
I understand why the companies believe that in-office is better for, say, collaboration and innovation and retention.
A Future Forum survey revealed recently, among those who say they're dissatisfied with their level of flexibility, 70% will look for a new opportunity, which may be disheartening for employers.
I think they've got to open their eyes and realize that the winds are not at their back on this. Another way.
Alice Works, KCBS.
California could be the next state to make financial literacy courses a requirement for high school graduation. As KCBS's Megan Goldsby tells us, the state superintendent of public education supports the plan.
Financial literacy includes learning how to balance your budget, creating savings, even investing. It's not too complex for Superintendent of Public Instruction Tony Thurman. In fact, learning these skills early sets them up for success.
This will increase their awareness and allow them to live a life without debt, to make better financial choices. It is incredible. And there are academic benefits for our students as well.
He's just secured an additional $1.4 million for grants to create more financial literacy courses in California high schools. The state has a partnership with Next Gen Personal Finance, a nonprofit that's developed a course California teachers are using already to teach high schoolers about their finances. Tim Ranzetta is co-founder of Next Gen.
Recent research has found students who take a financial education course less likely to take out high-interest payday loans, more likely to take out federal loans versus private student loans, which tend to be a higher interest rate. Increasing their awareness about investing. This idea of kind of the fact that only 50% of America invest today, many because they don't know how to invest, and being able to kind of offer that long-term wealth that can be generated is just phenomenal.
And these classes are making a difference, says Thurmond.
There's interest in seeing this funding that